The version of FactoryTalk View Studio that installs with FactoryTalk View SE can create FactoryTalk View SE and FactoryTalk View ME applications. FactoryTalk View ME covers PanelView Plus line of terminals and is outside the scope of this course. There can be a domain controller for all three application types. The domain controller is only needed if there are 10 computers or more. If there are 9 computers or less, then a Windows workgroup can be used. Important: no Rockwell automation software should be installed on a domain computer. For a local station application, FactoryTalk View SE software components are installed on one computer, with the exception of OPC data servers. Only OPC data servers can reside on remote computers. One FactoryTalk network directory manages all of the FactoryTalk products that participate in a single network distributed or network station application. Network distributed and network station applications both can have areas. The use of areas is optional unless the application is to have more than one HMI server, in which case you must use areas because there can only be one HMI server per area. In a network station application, a single HMI server and client are located on the same computer. The FactoryTalk network directory server can be located on the same computer as other FactoryTalk View software components, or you can run it alone on a dedicated computer. The FactoryTalk Links data server and OPC data servers can also be located on remote computers. For network distributed applications, FactoryTalk View SE software components are spread out among multiple server and client computers. All the computers participating in a network distributed application must point at the same network directory. Network distributed applications have high availability, more storage space, RAM, memory, and safety from failure, since FactoryTalk View SE software components, HMI servers, FactoryTalk network directory, data servers, HMI clients, etc., are spread out among multiple server and client computers within the network directory. There are limitations with network distributed applications. Application design will factor greatly into the number of concurrent clients that can be supported. The use of HMI tags, data logging, and the number of tags per second that are being requested are all factors that will influence the resource usage of the application servers. As resource usage increases, additional application servers will be required. A 25:1 client-to-server ratio is generally recommended for clients to their respective servers. Click the information icon to read about network distributed application limitations. For network applications, you can set up HMI server, data server, and FactoryTalk alarms and events, FTAE, server redundancy. HMI server redundancy is only available in network distributed applications. In the event that the primary HMI server cannot provide service to HMI clients, the system switches to the secondary server, and FactoryTalk View SE clients continue to function normally. There is no need to restart client or server computers. Read the information on the screen and drag the given options to the matching target spaces.